In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates in Asana. Setting a clear due date keeps your work on track, helps your teammates know when to expect updates, and makes your project timeline predictable. You don't need any special setup for this, just be signed into Asana on the web or desktop app and have a task you want to schedule. Start by opening the task. From a project list, a board column, your inbox, or My Tasks, just click the task's name. This opens the task details pane on the side of your screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the task title, description, and other fields grouped together. Take a second to confirm you've opened the correct task so you set the date for the right piece of work. Next, look to the upper left area of this details pane for the due date field. It's right near the task title. Click where it says due date. If a date has already been set, you'll see it there. Clicking it simply lets you change it. As soon as you click, a small calendar appears, giving you a clear view of the month. Now select your date. Browse the calendar and choose the day you want this task finished by. One click applies the date immediately. Pick a date that's realistic for you and your collaborators. If your team typically avoids weekend work, aim for a weekday. If you make a mistake or plans shift, no problem. Repeat the same action, click the due date again, and choose a new day. Your selection updates right away, so everyone stays aligned. A quick tip for clarity: after selecting the date, glance back at the task list or board. You'll see the new due date displayed with the task, which makes it easy to scan your workload. This visual confirmation helps you catch any typos or month mix-ups before moving on. That's all there is to it. Open the task to bring up the details, click the due date field at the top left, and select the date from the calendar. Keeping your tasks dated turns vague intentions into clear commitments, and it allows Asana's views and reports to reflect what's actually happening. With these few clicks, you've created a simple plan your future self and your team can rely on. If you're following along, try setting a due date on one active task right now to lock in your momentum. And remember, you can revisit the same field anytime to keep your schedule accurate as plans evolve.